My hands are washed and I'm ready to create my maple syrup extravaganza. It's a chia pudding, but it has maple syrup in it. Have you ever tried maple syrup? Maybe you've had it on your pancakes or on your waffles. Oh, looks yummy. It's a bit like honey but runnier, and it will be perfect for this pudding. Now, I've followed the ingredients of this recipe, so first up, we have 1 cup of coconut milk. And it goes into the mixing bowl. Splash, 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 nice and creamy. Next, we have 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Oh, they're very tiny, aren't they? But they're full of goodness and give you lots of energy. Okay, the word chia means strength, so into the mixing bowl it goes. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and 3 tablespoons. Next, we have a pinch of sea salt. Pinch, pinch, pinch. And then a sprinkle of cinnamon. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And finally, a glug of delicious maple syrup. Here we go. Glug, 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 glug. Glug, 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 glug. I'll just guess how much that is. An extra glug. Glug, 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 glug. Oh, sticky, drippy, and sweet. That looks really good, and I think it's ready for a stir. Here we go. Stir up the pudding, oh doodle doodle dum. Stir up the pudding and around we go. A little bit more. Are you stirring too? Stir up the pudding, oh doodle doodle dum. Stir up the pudding and around we go. Wow.
Wow, that looks really, really yummy.
It is, and seeing as you bought the fruit, you'll be able to taste it later on.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, okay, well, let me help you out, yeah? What can I do?
You can put the pudding mixture into these 2 empty jars.
Oh, okay. 1, 2. Here we go. Time to pour in the mixture. And pour, 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 pour.
Nice.
There you go. Oh, and a little bit more. Pour, 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 pour.
Nice and creamy.
There we go.
All right. Now, to finish it off, we can both put the fruit on the top.
Okay, let's put in some strawberries.
Yes, and raspberries. Yum.
Some blueberries. Plop, plop, plop.
This is very
plop,
healthy,
plop.
isn't it?
Very healthy. Some more fruit. There we go. Ooh, doodle doodle dum. This will soon be in my tum.
Not just yet, Hunter. These need to set in the fridge for a while.
Really?
Yes.
What are we gonna do while we're waiting? Bong, bong. Did you know that there are cows that go bong?
That's on Ning Nang Nong.
On the ning nang nong where the cows go bong and the monkeys all say boo. On the nong nang ning where the trees go ping and the teapots jibber jabber doo. On the nong ning nang where the mice go clang and you just can't catch 'em when they do.
And the ning nang nong, the cows go bong.
The nong nang ning, the trees go ping.
The nong ning nang, the mice go clang.
What a noisy place to belong.
Yes, it's the ning nang ning nang ning nang nong. The ning nang ning nang nong. Yes, it's the ning nang ning nang ning nang nong. The ning nang ning nang nong. Bong!
Very loud.